Hello everyone. So in this video we have a question where we are given a rectangle. This ABCD is a rectangle, right? And then inside this rectangle we have another 4 rectangles, and we are given the area of 3 rectangles out of these 4, and this we need to find, right? Okay, so as we can see that this side, suppose we say this side is what? X, right? Then this will also be equal to x, and this will also be equal to x, right? Then I take this as y. If this is y, this is also y, right? And this I take as z. If this is z, this is also z, because these are rectangles, right? And now suppose I take this as w, then this will also be equal to w, and this will also be equal to w. Now I don't know what is x, what is y, what is z, what is w. What will I do? I know the area. I know that x times y is equal to 36, right? I know that x times z, this is this rectangle is equal to 16, right? Okay, and I know this rectangle is w times z. Area of rectangle is length times breadth. W times z is 24. We are given these 3 things, and we need to find, what do we need to find here? We need to find y times w, right? Area of this rectangle we need to find y times w. Okay, so what will I do? I will take the use of whatever is given. I have 3 equations here, 1, 2 and 3. So if I divide equation 1 by 2, what will I get? X times y by x times z is equal to 36 by 16, right? And x will cancel out. So this is actually equal to y by z, and I can simplify the right hand side. If I cancel these 2 by 4, I will get 9 by 4. So this implies y is equal to 9 by 4z, right? Okay, now if I know this, what do I need to find? I need to find yw. So I will find y times w. Okay, what is y times w? Y is what? 9 by 4z, right? Times w. What is z times w? 9. Z times w is equal to 24, as we know that by equation 3, right? Okay, so this will become, if I cancel this out, this will become 54 meter square, because everything is in meter. So 54 meter square. So what is the area of this rectangle now? It is 54 meter square. So I hope you understood this. If you liked it, do subscribe to my channel, and you can find many such videos, conceptual videos, Maths Olympiad questions on my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.